Rowere matieko tiegruok e kuonde somo tije lwedo kata TVETs e pachoka mangima koro kwani oneni otiyo gi lony margi e chuogo thuolo mag tije mamoko ne oganda. Ma en ote mane ochiw kod jalup jata tije kabad migao mar TVET e Thurka Dr. William Osawa Ota mane olero ni rowerego ni e thuolo makare mar neno ne loko chenro mag dongruok e pachoka. Dr. Osawa ne owuoyo e nyasi mar sidho gudu ne rowere ma oheo 200 mane otieko tiegruok e kar thieth ma Nairobi West, buore Nairobi ka.
It is my sincere hope that the great wealth of knowledge, innovative ideas, and problem-solving skills that you have acquired in the course of your training will help you to overcome the challenges and lead you to identify and achieve real success, not only for yourselves, but for the whole country without engaging in non-ethical activities.
It is our duty to listen attentively, to offer solace, and to provide care that goes beyond physical, encompassing the emotional and spiritual aspects of healing. As you will be caring for your patients, do so with diligence. Care for your patients with professionalism and humility. Attend to them with respect and...
Please remember that the world is full of promises. Carry with you more than certificates and diplomas. You should carry the responsibility to make the meaningful and lasting impact in the world.